Hi everyone, Jerry here, the engineer. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got these jumbo bubble twists. I think they're so cute. So if you want to know how I got this hairstyle, well, just keep on watching. So my hair is already stretched and moisturized. I want to try like 2 ponytails on each side. The first thing I want to do is to part my hair. It's partially parted already, so let me just part this again. Ideally you want to use a tail comb, but I can't find my tail comb, so I have to use my big comb and try to make it as neat as possible. From the nose, forehead, straight down. Much better. Much better. Let me just pull my hair a little bit. And when I tell you my hair loves castor oil from a long time, my hair just loves castor oil with regards to both sheen, keeping my hair feeling strong, because my hair loves to break. So castor oil really helps for me. So get your scrunchies for how many ponytails or twist or braids you want. I'm going to just stick with 2 scrunchies. Let me just keep one out of the way. And catch up to this side. Okay. One side, and let me quickly catch up this side. You also can gel your hair if you want to like slick it down a little bit more. Personally, my hair just needs a break from the gel. Like anytime I put gel in my hair, it just tends to break my hair to some extent. So if you want to put in gel, go right ahead. I'm not saying no to gel. I'll do gel as well. I just won't do gel all the time. And today's one of those times I'm just not doing gel in my hair. So I have my twists, sorry, my puffs. I am just going to braid my hair on both sides into 2 plaits. If your hair is shorter, I would say either you can just do like a little twist, a little mini bun with the hair that you have. You just need something to be able to fix the extension onto. Yeah, so now that my hair is in 2 plaits, I am going to get to these Canicolon extension braids. This is the Ultra Jumbo Braid in 1B. I always get my hair colors in 1B anytime I just want to match my natural hair color. So one side is done now, and I think it's so cute. So I'm going to go ahead and do the next side now. Okay, so take off the elastic band. Got that out. Okay, game time. Get your scrunchie. Have your scrunchie underneath the hair. Pull it through. Now we have the hair on this. Let me take off the cardboard. Okay. Then we are going to loop this onto our hair. I did mine 3 times. We want to make sure that we have the hair covering as much of the twist as possible. So I'm just smoothing the hair over it. Okay, so like this. Now scrunch up your hair, because this is just the easiest way to get the elastic band over your hair. After we scrunch it up, we're gonna put this elastic band on There we go. Move it up to where you want to put it. So I'm gonna put mine close to the top because I want to really have proper control of the hair that's covering my hair. I'm gonna fluff that how I want it fluffed. Okay. And just fixing the hair around my hair. Okay, and now I'm just gonna repeat. So scrunch up. Pull it over. Yep. And go to your desired location. Just gonna go a little bit up because my hair is still underneath here. And I also want to try and match this side. Just fluff that. And repeat. So I'm just gonna go and quickly do that and I'll be right back. I wasn't sure how this style was going to come out, but man, I love how this style has come out. It is such a beautiful hairstyle, and on top of it, it was so easy to do. I mean, not many, you know, unique, complex hairstyles are quick and easy. Typically, braids take a long time, so I was really happy that this style took me just under 20 minutes. It was great. I love it. I love it. And if you're someone like me who also just likes to do a different hairstyle every other week, this hairstyle is not only quick to do, but the takedown process is so quick and easy. You can take down this hairstyle in 2 minutes and then just, you know, put up an afro and then you're good to go again. So I really just love the flexibility with this hairstyle and just how cute it is. And if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos on natural hair, makeup, and all things self-care. So again, hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. I love trying to do cute but very easy and simple hairstyles like this for natural hair. So if you're interested, subscribe and keep up to date with me on my little journey. And voila! I just finished this style. And to finish it up, I am just putting a little badangle onto the tips. I don't know what they're actually called, to be honest. On the tip, like that. But yeah, this is it. It's bubbly. Let me just look a little bit more decent and let me come back. Yeah, I'm loving these hairstyles. I think this is so cute. These jumbo bubble twists. So long though, oh my god, but I think it's so cute. Imagine going to Caribana. Oh my god, I'll probably do this hairstyle for Caribana because this is so cute. Like going out to going to a party, and honestly for work, I think all I will have to do is just, like, you know, pin it up. Like, there's so many things I can do with it. Maybe I'll do a video on how I style it. Who knows? We'll see. But I am liking how this is looking. Don't mind me, I'm staring at myself. I just love how, one, it was so easy to do. Like, I've never done a style like this, and I think it came out so good for my very first time. Two, it is cheap. It is cheap. We love cheap. We love budget-friendly hairstyles. In this economy, with inflation, I couldn't pass up $1.97 for these braids. Because basically $4 in total I paid for these, right? So that's two. Three, time. This really took me little to no time to do. And that's what we also want. I don't got time to sit down and do 8-hour braids. Not even 1 hour sometimes. This didn't take me that long to do, honestly. I think the longest part is just either just stretching out your hair or, you know, putting on the elastic bands on one. But it really just took me like, was it even like 10 minutes for one side. Not even 10 minutes, it's like 5 minutes. I know this one took me a bit longer just because I was trying to figure out how to get the elastic band to go over all that hair. But once I figured that out, it was so easy, so simple. Man, it's easy. It's easy. I need more styles like this. Just simple, easy, minimum time required, cheap, and a protected. Because since my hair is in the plaits, I call that a protective style. That's a protective style to me. And if my ends are protected, we're good. We're Gucci. It's great. But yeah, what do you guys think about this hairstyle? Do you like it? Would you give it a try? You know? Or is there something different? Would you do like maybe 4 twists, 6 twists, a full head of it, or just like a single ponytail? You know? Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about these. Like, will you try this out and how do you think it looks on me? I really like it. I will do this definitely multiple times. But thank you again everyone for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and remember, self-care is how we practice self-love. Mwah! Bye!